Good morning all. In maths, in the first chapter, we are going to learn about the place value of large numbers. Now, as till last year, you have learned, I guess, 4-digit numbers. So, till 4-digit numbers, you are having, say, number 3, 4, 6, 8. So, this number, which is a 4-digit number, would be read as 3468. Okay? So in this 4-digit number, these 3 digits 4, 6, 8, they fall in a group of ones. Okay? They fall in a period, you can say, a group of ones. This number 3 is in a group of thousands. Okay, it falls into a group of thousands. And so when we are reading a number, we would say this is 3468. Now, when I write a huge number, say 5 digit, 6 digit, it is very important that you put a comma in between. Now, this comma would be put to distinguish or differentiate between these periods or groups. Okay? So, in the Indian system, in our Indian system of numeration, we have 3 digits in the ones group. Then, after that, you will be having 2 digits each in each and every group that follows. Okay? So, after the ones group comes the thousands group. So again here there will be only 2 digits. After that you will go on to another group, that is the lakhs group. Okay. So we are going to learn about these lakhs group. Okay. In this year we are moving on to the second digit in the thousands place and the digit in the lakhs place as well. That would be your 5-digit number and 6-digit number. So till now what you have learned, let's just revise what we have done last year. Till last year you had 4-digit numbers in which you had ones, tens, hundreds and thousands place or place value as all you can see. Now let's consider a 5-digit number here. I take a number 7, 5, 4, 8, 3. Okay. So this is my 5-digit number. There are 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 digits in my number. Hence this is a 5-digit number. Now how do I read this number? This is my ones place, tens place, hundreds place. This belongs to my ones group. And so I put a comma after it. Now in my 4th and 5th digit place is my thousands group. And so this digits here 7 and 5 would be read as 75,483. So rest all remains same. Only this number which has got added to your 4-digit numbers, this place is for 10,000. This place is for 10,000. And so this is read as 70,000. So 75. Okay? Why 70? Because these are 2 digits in one group. So 1 is in the ones place, the other comes in the tens place. And that is why it is read as 75. So this number is 75,483. This is a 5-digit number. If I take a 6-digit number now, okay, digits have only 2 digits. So after the first 3, you put a comma after every 2 digits. So here I am having a number which is having 7 in the first group. After that 58. After that 431. So how do I read this number? Which is this group now? This group is lakhs group. Okay. This is your lakh group. So 7 will be read as 7 lakh. 7 lakh 58,000. Why? Because this is thousands group. Your thousands group. Isn't it? So 7 lakh 58,431. This is how you read a 6-digit number and how you read a 5-digit number. It is similar to your numbering as you did earlier. Only since the digits are increasing, they have got their names, and so you read those numbers with those names. Okay. So this number is 7,58,431. So when I say write the number name for this digit or for this number, how you do that? You write spellings. Okay. In number name we write spellings. So how are you going to number name this for me? Let's consider this same number. Okay. This is our number here. Now I have to write the number name for this. So here is how it goes. 75. I told you it is in the thousands group. So 75. And since this group belongs to thousand, so 75,000. After that, similar to what we have done before, 483. So 483. This is how you number name a 5-digit number. Okay. 75,483. For this, you will have to write it 7, since it is in lakh group, so 7 lakh. After that follows the thousand group, which is 58 here. 58. But which group? Thousand. So don't forget. 58,000. Rest all the same. 431. So in the number name, you have to write spelling. In the number name, you have to mention which group it belongs to as well. So don't forget, you have to put commas first to see which group the number is falling into. These commas really help us in reading a number very quickly. So this is how you write the number name of a 5-digit and a 6-digit number. Now we have also learned about place value, if you remember. So what is place value? Place value is the value of each and every digit in different places. Now let's consider a number. Let's consider a 4-digit number first. What you have done last year. Let's go through it first. Okay. Let's consider a number 2581. So if I ask you the place value of the digit 5, how do you do that? You just simply write the number 5. After that, how many digits follow? 1, 2. So just put 2 zeros. This becomes the place value of this digit 5. Okay. So if I ask any number and tell you a digit and tell me what place is there that of that digit in that number, you just simply write have no digits after, you will write nothing. So the value of 1 is 1. Similarly, what will be the value of 8? Write number 8. 1 digit follows, so 80. Place value of 8 is 80. Place value of 5 is 500. Place value of 2 will be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2000. So 2000 is the place value of 2. 500 is the place value of 5. 80 is the place value of 8. And 1 is the place value of 1. So any number given, you just have to write that number. How many digits follow? That many zeros. That is the place value of that digit in the number. Now let's consider a 5-digit number. 83519. Okay, this is a 5-digit number. How do you put commas in a 5-digit number? After 3 comma. Okay, so this is my thousands group. This is my ones group. Okay, now if I want you to find the place value of 3, what you do is simply write 3 here. How many digits after? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 is in the place of 3000. So place value of 3 in this 5-digit number is 3000. Similarly, if 8 is my digit of which I want place value, I write 8. After that, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 80,000. Okay, 80,000. After 3 commas, so 80,000 is my place value of digit 8. Similarly, you can write for 5, it will be 2 zeros, so 500. For 1, 1 zero after, so 10. And for 9, it remains 9 since there is no digit after it. So 9 is my place value of digit 9. Okay. Similarly, for a 6-digit number, say I add a number here. Now this number becomes 5,83,519. Okay. So what will be the place value of this 5? Just write your number 5. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the place value of digit 5. So since there are 2 5s in my number, this 5 is different and this 5 is different. This 5 is 500 only. This 5 is in the place of lakhs. So it becomes 5 lakh. So 5 lakh will be greater than 500. Okay. So this is the way you write place value of a digit. Okay. It is very easy. You just have to see how many digits follow. That many zeros you put and that will be the place value of that asked digit. Let's move on to the expanded form now. Now in the expanded form, you just stretch a number, expand a number. Okay, what you are doing simply here is you are taking a number and without changing its value, you just stretch it, you just expand it, you just make it bigger. How do you do that? Here in expanded form, you write the place value of each digit and in between just put a plus sign. See, I am taking a 6 digit here. Okay, comma after 3 and comma after 2. So this is my 6 digit number. I want the expanded form now for this number. What do? I start from the first digit and start writing its place value. Okay, I start from here. First digit 7. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50. Okay, be sure about the zeros that you put. Then comes 5. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros. Again a plus sign. Then the number 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then comes 5. So 1, 2. Then comes 1. And then your 2. So this is the expanded form of this number. When I add this, I will get the same number. So without changing the value of my number, I have expanded the number. बड़ा कर दिया उसको. Okay? I just expanded the number without changing its value. So when I ask the expanded form of a number, you just write all the digits place value and put a plus sign in between because you don't want to change its value. So when I add this up, obviously I get the same number back. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros under 4 zeros. 3 zeros under 3 zeros. And number 4. 500. 10 and 2. So when I add this, you will see I get the same number back. 0, 0, 0, 0, 2. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 5. 0, 0, 4. 0, 5, 5 and 7. So you get the same number back. This is the expanded form of the number. Okay, understood? So place value and expanded form. For both, you have to know your place value of a digit. It is really simple. Just write the number and how many digits are after it? That many zeros. Okay? So this was your place value and expanded form. Number name, I told you how you write the number name. You write the spelling. Spellings for the number plus you have to note down the group in which they are. Lakh, thousand, okay, 100. That is the word that should be in it. Then we come to the comparison. Now comparison means comparing. You have to see which is greater. Because when we talk about numbers, we always can compare. Now which number is the greatest from 0 to 9? If I go from 0 to 9, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which one will be the greatest number? 9. Which one is the smallest? 0. Okay. But if I write 0, 0, 0, 0 5 times, does it make any sense? No. So what we do there is we write a 1 for the first digit and then we write 0 zeros. So it becomes 10,000. Okay. So 10,000 will be a number and it will be the smallest 5-digit number. So herein when you compare numbers, for comparing numbers you will have two numbers. So if I give you two numbers and tell you to compare, you will be easily able to do that because you know that number 9 is greater than the other numbers. Okay, you know the sequence of numbers and so you can easily compare. Let's consider one more 6-digit number here and see which one is greater. Let's consider 6, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5. Okay, 6-digit number here. Now, when I look at the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 here, 6 here. So, I will have to check my numbers now. We start from here because this first number is having the most value. It is in the lakh place, right? Lakh period. So, lakhs period you will check first. So, this is 7 lakh and this is 6 lakh. Now, tell me which one will be greater, 7 or 6? Obviously, 7. So, this number is greater, you will say. Okay? So, easily you can compare numbers So this is what we are doing in exercise 1. In exercise 1 here, in exercise 1, that is on 61 page number. Now here is a abacus given. This is called an abacus. Okay. Now in this abacus, in the bottom line you will see TTH, TH, H, T and O written. So what does that mean? O will be standing for ones, T for tens place, H for hundreds place, TH for thousand and TTH for 10,000. Okay, so that is your place which is given. And above that there is a line on which there are some colorful beads. So what you simply do here is, in each line, count the number of beads and write that number below. In the first one, I have, just please look into your textbooks. In the first one, in the first row, that is O, above it there are 4 blue beads. So I write the number 4 here. In the next one, that is yellow, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beads. Green, 5. In the TH group, there is only 1. In the TTH, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is how I counted my beads and wrote my number. So my number is this. How do you read it? How do you write the number name for it? Number name would be, since this is the 1000 group, so it will be 91,000. This is 91,000. After that, 500 and 84. So this is the number name and this is the number. So now you know how to read an abacus. Abacus is having lines. Below that you are having your group, whichever that line belongs to, and there are colorful beads. You just count those beads and write the number. Put a comma after 3 digits from behind. Okay. Again after 2 a comma. But since it is 5 digits, we don't put a comma here. Okay. No need. Then you write the number name. In the number name you write the spelling along with the group. Okay. 91,584 is the number name. So in this way I want you to do the next two. Okay. Then there is question number 2, wherein you have been given number name and you have to write the number for it. So please do this question number 1 and question number 2. Okay. Then we'll continue for question number